If the driver cannot log in to the personal cabinet with a phone number and password that he has forgotten, it is possible to reset the password to the personal cabinet. To do this, go to the driver's card and find the button in the form of a padlock. Click on it. A window opens where you can generate a link to reset the password. Copy it using the icon on the right and send it to the driver. This will give him the opportunity to reset the password. When the driver clicks on such a link, a window opens in which he will need to input a new password. The password must contain at least one capital letter and a number and be no shorter than 6 characters. By clicking the blue button, the driver gets access to the driver's account. The driver will then be able to log in to his personal cabinet from any device using the phone number and the newly created password.